Passive voice in future tense follows the pattern where the object receives the action. The key example is the book will be written. This structure shifts focus from who does the action to what receives it. Future passive uses will be plus the past participle form of the verb. Here are clear examples of future passive voice. The project will be completed by tomorrow. Her grandparents will be visited next weekend. A charity event will be organized next month. The match will be won by the team. Notice how the focus stays on the action receiver. The formula transforms active to passive voice. Active voice follows subject plus will plus base verb plus object. Passive voice becomes object plus will plus be plus past participle. Will shows future time. Be is the auxiliary verb. Past participle is the third form of the main verb. Active sentence they will write the book becomes passive the book will be written. The object the book moves to the front. Will stays for future tense. Be plus past participle written shows the action done to the object. The doer they may follow with by if needed. Active sentence the team will win the match transforms to the match will be won by the team. Match moves from object position to subject position. Will be plus past participle, one creates the passive structure. By the team shows who performs the action. Active sentence workers will finish the work changes to the work will be finished by the workers. Work becomes the subject receiving the action. Will be plus past participle finished forms the passive verb. By the workers identifies the doer of the action. Additional examples reinforce the pattern. The project will be completed by tomorrow. The package will be delivered by Friday. A new product will be launched soon. The meeting will be scheduled next week. The letter will be sent tomorrow. The documents will be signed by the manager. Future passive voice formula is object plus will plus be plus past participle. This structure emphasizes what receives the action in future time. Regular practice builds confidence with the pattern. Keep applying the formula across different subjects and verbs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.